today we'll be looking at every single rare plane that I can find. So first of all, here we have a helicopter from the Netherlands Royal Air Force, which is a Boeing CH-47 Chinook. And then, oh my goodness, there is just like raid of C-130s just in one. Like you think it's one from here, but when you zoom in, you find out that so there's a C-130, another C-130, another C-130, another C-130, and another C-130. Wait, I'm gonna see what this looks like in 3D view. Yeah, they have C-130s. Woohoo! I'm happy that they have C-130s in this Infinity Flight Simulator. It's a game that they have got aircraft, and it's just the same thing. It's like, I don't know. Oh wait, oh my goodness. There's another another C-130 just passing by me right now. It doesn't show you like 3D view, but if you're like in the co-pilot seat, like and you decide to look to your left, you would see like a C-130 right next to you. So there's just a bunch of C-130s coming from Albine. I don't know what it is, but I do know it's not normal. And then there's a KC-135 and a KC-135, a KC-46 that is coming from this, and then KC-130, which is just a C-130, but just with refueling tanks, and HC-1. What is a HC-130 combat? What's a HC-130 combat king? I don't know what a HC-130 is because I only know the AC-130 and but I'm gonna search that up when I get time. So yeah. And then KC-130, U.S. Customs and Border dash de Havilland, Canada -8 MPA. So yeah. And then it's MC-130 Ghost Rider. Oh, we found an AC-130, guys. And I don't know why they call it an MC, but I do know this is a HC.